Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can highlight a random content on a PDF document. So for example, say if you lost your Word documents, you have the PDF documents. So how you can highlight a random content of a PDF documents, how we can do it. So in this video I'm going to show it. So for doing it, here is a PDF document of mine. Here there's some content, some images as well. So I'm going to highlight this line of this content. So for example, I want to highlight this content. So how I can do it? So for example, so go to this website smallpdf.com/edit pdf, then select your PDF document, and this is the documents of ours. So we're gonna highlight this content. So for example, highlight text and click on highlighter, then select this random thickness and opacity. So for example, we select the thickness of 10 pixel and opacity 27%. Okay, opacity make it 20. Okay, select this color. Okay, now we're gonna highlight this content. So select this content. Don't worry, the alignment, it will automatically straight your line. So here, as you can see, our highlighting has been automatically straight into the line. So if you want to align in something in this line as well, so selecting highlighter, we're gonna make the thickness 15 pixel and it is opacity 31%. We're gonna change the color red. Okay, now we're gonna, okay, let's change this sentence. While many quantum experiments examine very small objects such as electrons, photons. Okay, so the highlighted documents has been completed. So now, so what you need to do, you need to save the PDF, click on export and then download PDF. So this is the documents, click on here. So here, as you can see, this is the documents that you highlighted. So this is how you can highlight a random content of a PDF document by using this internet website. So I hope this video will help you a lot, and thanks for watching.